Tucked right in the Santa Monica Mountains of Los Angeles sits a set of abandoned buildings once occupied by a colony of American Nazis. Decayed, desolate, eerie. This is the Murphy Ranch. The hell is this, Hitler's gas tank?
Just hold on to the tree once you get up to the tree. And we're here if you fall.
Oh my god. This is so suspect. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The tree's just at the very top.
I'm scared. Can I go? It's scary. I'll give it a go.
What's up there?
The never-ending staircase. Oh, there's the bottom, actually. Which animal would you most likely choose to be eaten by alive if you had to have it? A crocodile, a bear, or a mountain lion?
Bear. I would say bear because that would just, that would just maul you off.
A bear?
I'd say a mountain lion.
Yeah?
Those crocodiles,
Yeah.
they like down you first.
Why a mountain lion?
It's like, where are you gonna find a mountain lion? That means I'd be in a pretty cool place.
Yeah, like out here.
Yeah. No crocodiles are weak, so that would be a slow death.
We had to buy bear spray.
Propellant?
Yeah, and it's
a good
literally like
idea.
a fire extinguisher. It goes out like 20 feet. But I was honestly not as afraid of obviously I was afraid of encountering a grizzly bear, but I'm afraid of the cats. Because grizzly bear, you'll get really small and they tend to, and you don't look them in the eye. But cats will just follow you for hours, and they prey on you just for fun. There's no reason.
Yeah, we just.
You got it? It's not, yeah, you're good. This is supposed to be a escape route for Hitler and the Nazis. That's if he won the war.
Are we going in?
I mean, you could just go through.
Shit, there's a lot of nails. Holy crap. Wow. So these are abandoned stables at the Murphy Ranch. Yo, oh fuck. Yo, it's a fucking beehive. Shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Damn, that was just right above me. What the fuck is that? It's a noose. It's a noose. Yo, I saw that too. It's like a wire. Oh, there's a sink. This shit's fucking creepy as hell. Nazi ass shit. Some crazy Nazi shit here. Oh, the Enchanted Woods. So guys.
Hey.
Really?
Yeah, there's more stuff this way, but they came from that way. So like it's like loops around, so this way leads us back to our cars too.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Like down the chimney. It's like a room. It's like they invented pizza. Pizza. No. Is that what it's called though? Or is that just like...
Wait, this is an oven?
No, it's a stove. It's a
pizza
chimney. It's a chimney that looks down to a roof.
No, dude, there was doors.
What's it meant for?
I'm guessing to cook.
For Santa.
Cooks.
Is it meant for people?
For I don't know. It's pretty fucked, but I think we all know.
That's crazy.
America's secretly part of the
Is that poison ivy? I hope not. Did you guys went around?
We stopped when we looked down.
Oh yeah, this is an oven. Yo, you get a dope shot with the wide lens. What the fuck is back here? These are creepy ass woods. This shit's crazy.
Wait, stay there for a second if you don't mind. Like with your legs apart and your hands by your side.
Remember, be like.
Oh. This is a dope ass ranch. Oh shit. This is dope as shit. Holy shit, you can see in there? Holy shit. Not sturdy at all on the left side. Some structure over here I saw with my drone. So I'm gonna go check it out. That's creepy. Oh shit. What is this? Whoa! Yo! Wow. Some dangling ladder off the side here. All beat and rusted. Holy crap, this is wild. Like, what did they use this for? Oh my god. For being in LA, this is very creepy and deserted. Like, you don't really hear much out here. I mean, we can go up. My kingdom in flames. Wow. What is this maze for? This shit is creepy.